Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best and latest in tech and accessories to help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we're checking out a piece of gear that's perfect for anyone looking to save space and upgrade their entertainment setup. The Pyle Universal TV Ceiling Mount for 23 to 42-inch screens. Now, if you've ever struggled with wall space, furniture layouts, or just want a cleaner, more modern aesthetic, ceiling mounting your TV might be the answer. And Pyle's ceiling mount brings a lot of features to the table without breaking the bank. Let's start with what it actually does. This is a heavy-duty, ceiling-mounted bracket designed to hold flat-screen TVs ranging from 23 to 42 inches. It's compatible with HD TVs, LCD, LED, plasma, and even smart TVs, and supports VESA mounting patterns. That means installation should be a breeze if your TV follows the standard. You get a durable black metal frame, and it holds up to 66 pounds. That's pretty generous for most TVs in this size range. But it's not just about support, this mount is all about adjustability and flexibility. Let's talk movement. The Pyle ceiling mount gives you -20 to +20 degrees of tilt and a full 180 degrees of swivel. Whether you're lying on a couch, sitting at a bar, or even using it in a commercial space like a gym or restaurant, this adjustability ensures you get the best viewing angle every time. Now, height is another big feature here. The mount extends from 24.6 inches to 34.4 inches, giving you solid vertical flexibility. That makes it ideal for both low and high ceilings. Whether it's a basement, a bedroom, or even a business lobby, you can dial in that perfect TV position. And here's something that gets overlooked in a lot of mounts: the space-saving design. By lifting your TV off the wall and away from furniture, this mount helps keep your space clean and clutter-free. That's a big win for minimalists and anyone trying to maximize small or awkwardly shaped rooms. All the hardware is included right in the box, so there's no need for extra trips to the hardware store. Just follow the instructions, and you're good to go. The metal construction also means this isn't a mount you'll need to worry about long-term. It's designed to last and hold firm. One quick heads up: this particular model is not currently available for shipping to some international locations, including India. So if you're buying from outside the US, double-check your delivery options before you commit. So what's the verdict? The Pyle Universal TV Ceiling Mount is a strong contender if you're looking for flexibility, durability, and a clean look in your TV setup. It's functional, thoughtfully designed, and priced competitively. Whether it's for your home or a business, this mount is built to perform. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives just like this, and drop a comment below. Would you ceiling mount your TV, or do you prefer the classic wall setup? Let us know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.